Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about these, those, that, and those. These are the four words which we will discuss in today's video. I know some people have idea. However, I am going to tell you difference also between the four words. First of all, I am going to talk about this. When do we use this? This is used for only one thing, that is singular. Okay. The second thing, that is nearby you also. Like this is a pen, then we use this. Pen is nearby me and it is singular also, that's why I used only this. Second word I am going to share, that. Second word is that. Do you know when do we use that? We use that, that is singular, and that is far from you, it is not nearby you. Like that is car, that is fan. So these are the singular thing, like car is also one and fan is also one, that's why I used that. And it is far from me, it is not nearby me, that's why I used that there. So now I am going to talk about these. Do you know when we use these in our sentence? We use these when that is more than one. It's mean plural. We use this for plural thing or plural people we use. Okay, so I am going to give you some example, then you will understand. These are pens. These are books. So it is not singular. It is more than one. That's why I am using these here, and it is more than one and it is nearby me also, that's why I am using these here. So now I am going to talk about those. Do you know when do we use those in our sentence? Okay, I am going to share. We use those for those things which is far from me, it is not nearby me, it is far from me. Like those are chairs, those are bikes. So I am using those for those things which are not nearby me, and those are far from me, that's why I used those here. Now I am going to tell you what is the difference between this or that. This we use nearby things, for nearby things. Like this is my pen, it is nearby me, that's why I used this here. For that, it is far from me, it is not nearby you, that's why I used that there. Now I am going to share second difference between the this and those. Those used for plural thing are more than one. Then we use these and those. And these are more than one, and these are like these we use for nearby the things. Those we use for far thing. I hope you have understood. I am going to share some examples, then you will understand better. This is my pen, that is your pen, that pen is far from me, that's why I used that there. Okay. So third example is these are my books. Okay, these books are more than one, that's why I use these. Okay, so now I am going to share those. When do we use those which is far from me? Like those are chairs, those chairs are far from me, that's why I used those. And these are more than one, that's why I have used. I hope you have understood. Please make some sentence in comment box, then I will check your sentence. Thank you so much for watching my video.